So today we're going to take a look at how you should properly increase the size of an image in Photoshop. So here we have an image that's 400 by 400 pixels. I want to increase the size. First off, we're just going to make this into a layer. So we're just going to double click it, I'll take the padlock off and just click OK to that. Once we're here, what we could do is we could increase the canvas size. We can make this 4000 by 4000, which we'll do now. And once we've done that, you'll see that our image is here in the middle. And if we were to Command T, what I've just done there, free transform, and start stretching this image, you're going to see that it starts to go quite blurry. If we stretch it out fully, you can start seeing these jagged lines and that. But what we're going to do is we're just going to not do that. I'm going to go back to our original image before we made the canvas size adjustment. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to image size, and once you're in image size, we're just going to change the size. So we're just going to make it 4000 by 4000. You want to make sure you've got this clicked here, preserve detail 2.0. Once you're in here, make this 100%, and you can see now we have our much larger image, and it doesn't have all like the artifacts in. Granted, this was a small image to start with, so it's not going to be the highest detail, but we've upscaled it enough to where it can be more usable. And there isn't all the artifacts in that you would get from just pulling it up and making it bigger that way. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.